Sparky Sparks here. All right, don't think or say anything yet. Just pause for a moment. Today I want to talk to you about this short, dark wig. Now, many of you have never seen me in really dark hair. I was born with darker hair and more like a hazelnut-ish color. This piece is by Ellen Wille, and the color is dark chocolate mix. The style is called Estate Mono, and I'm telling you, I love the style. Now, it's a little bit shocking, and a lot of people would say it's harsh because I'm not super tan anymore. I don't lay out in the sun, but I do love the cut, and I like the contrast. So this reminds me of being a young woman when I lived in Boston. I had a style very similar to this that was cut very short on the sides, and I poofed it up. So this has some give, some playability. So let me show you the back. It's super cute. Super cute. Love it with this jacket. Now, the one thing I wanted to point out to you today is how styles change with what we wear. So I'm going to switch jackets and just give you a look at that. So this is with just a top on from Poppy Lush. It's got thermal in it, so it's quite warm, but it's perfect. So this is kind of more like I'm going out. I'm feeling very Kris Jenner. I'm telling you, I feel very, stylish and chic. So this would be one look. Add some jewels, a scarf perhaps. You could get a little more dramatic here with the bangs, piece them out. I also feel a little bit like Liza Minnelli. So you can see, you can just work with this. And then if I put on a white blazer, this is one of my favorite white blazers that I love. I started with this on, and I'll show you kind of what this looks like. Let's see. So a different look, right? And I think with this, I'd wear the collar kind of popped. Reads Liza, right? Or, I mean, some people don't know who Liza Minnelli is, but yeah, you know. Beautiful short style. Ellen Wille wigs, I really love. I had a chance to meet the team when I was in Dallas, and their style, their attention to detail is really so amazing. Let me show you the hairline. This is lace here, a lace front. This whole mono top can be parted anywhere. So it looks like scalp right in here, right? So if I wanted to do kind of a faux hawk thing, I could do that. I know what you're saying. I can hear you. Stop it. Just go with it. I think one thing I've learned about wearing wigs is that, you can put on a wig and change up your look just like that. I mean, it's very quick. It's not a commitment, hence an affair with hair. It doesn't have to be a commitment. And look at this side, super great. I'm gonna put the blue jacket back on. So this is super fun. I love wigs because this, right? So in another video, I will show you a short style in a blonde, and we'll do a little comparison of light going to dark, going to this dark now. But I just love this. I'm gonna take this off so you can see the inside. Really impeccable. Now, a couple of cautionary tales. Make sure the tag is tucked. Now, when I was trying this on this morning, the tag was poking out through the wefting. So that shocked me. I had never seen that happen before, but I usually wear light color wigs. So I could be mindful of the tag or remove the tag. And also, if you're pulling it down in the back here, make sure you haven't pulled the tag out. I was at the gym and my trainer said, tag, tag. And I thought, what's he talking about? Tag. And sure enough, my tag was hanging out. So I looked like ready to get scanned, right? Okay, so let's take this off and take a peek underneath. So I've chosen to wear a dark or black combination wig cap, wig grip. I adjusted my makeup. So if you know, I put black eyeshadow into my eyebrows, so it darkened them up. Not like crazy black lines, but it just, you know, starts to match the hair color a little bit more than my light brown. On the inside, we have this whole lace parting area and this lace front. So this you could wear so you can spike it up if you want. And the full parting space, hand-tied parting space, beautiful. Open wefting. Silicone here on the nape, so it's super comfortable, and the ears. Velvet here. This is that pesky little tag I'm talking about, and I think this is the guy that was sticking through. So, you know, if it sticks through the wefting, it's going to show and poke out. So I perhaps would take the tags off. So let's put her back on. When you get the wig, shake her out, give her a good shake, and let's put her on. I'm holding on to the tag so that we can make sure that it's tucked under, but not tucked all the way through and out. So this may just have to come off this tag. So when you first put it on, it looks kind of crazy, but we just work with it. Make sure the ear tabs are lined up on your temples. And this, like I said, you could part it on either side. So move it over this side. My mom had this color hair. So when I looked in the mirror this morning with this on, I thought, oh my gosh, there's my mom. Pretty. I mean, she's a pretty, pretty wig. Love to know your thoughts. Trust me, I don't necessarily wear dark, dark, dark hair, but if I chose to wear and wanted to have a dark chocolate mix, this would probably be it. It's gorgeous. I'll do some pictures in the sun. Today's just not a super sunny day, so I'll work on getting some photos for you in the sun. But love the style. Super easy. Throw on and go. I'd love to know what you think about the different color tops and how that kind of changes the style too. Very fun. Very, very fun. I prefer, I think, this blue top. Makes my eyes pop. But again, this is Estate Mono in the color Dark Chocolate Mix. Cheers.